Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to migrate your spreadsheet on the numbers application to another folder using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. Click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, let's go to File. Go to Open. That should take us to the desktop where we have work.numbers. Click on this, Open. Let's just wait for that to load now to migrate the current spreadsheet from the desktop, let's just say, to another folder. We'll go to File, we'll go to Move To, and it tells us that it's already in the desktop. So if we click on the option where we can expand, we can move this to, let's just say, the documents. If I now click on Move, focus on the desktop, and you'll see this file. The spreadsheet will now migrate folders, move. That's now gone. The file has already been saved. Let's now minimize numbers for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, and there we go. Work.numbers is now within the documents folder within the Computer Science Videos directory. We can now quit Finder. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go back to work.numbers, quit numbers. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.